In this video, we are going to go over the top technologies for 2023, specifically the top 10. Now, in this video, we're also going to go over 3 future and upcoming technologies. So if that interests you, well, let's dive in and let's go over these careers. Now, kicking us off is going to be Internet of Things, which is also known as IoT. In this world, everything is interconnected. All devices are able to talk to one another. So think of your coffee machine being able to know when your phone alarm goes off, and then it just starts brewing you a cup of coffee. And then at the same time, when your coffee's ready, your oven starts creating eggs or something like that. IoT is used a lot in the world of logistics, where we're using a lot of machines and a lot of data to be able to put together either robots or parts, think of like automotives, or in a world of shipping items from one place to another. And lastly, it involves your personal life with smart homes. Now, coming in at number 9 is blockchain development. Blockchain development is all about creating digital ledgers and contracts. This goes much further than just creating cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. What we can do here is transform the way our voting systems work, government officials work, retail, in a lot of other areas. Coming in at number 8 is project managers. IT project managers are the conductors that are able to put together an entire IT project. In a typical IT project, you're gonna see that there's front-end engineers, back-end engineers, test engineers, automation engineers. You're gonna have designers and project managers and product architects. And there's a lot going on to successfully be able to implement an IT project. Now, an IT project manager is able to condense all of this together to make one flowing team to be able to accomplish the goals that are set. At lucky number 7 are UX and UI designers. They are the bridge between technology and just overall aesthetics of an application. They strategically place buttons and colors on web browsers or even on your mobile device that will allow you to be able to interact with this application correctly and also increase the overall user experience of the application. Now, moving into spotlight of number 6 is DevOps. DevOps engineers are the bridge between developers and operations. DevOps. Now, their main job is to increase velocity for us to be able to deploy applications, build applications, and overall ship new features to our clients faster. If a world of velocity and how we can quickly ship features to clients intrigues you, well, check out DevOps. Midway through our list is machine learning engineers. These engineers take complex data sets and find facts and useful information out of them. It's more than just a buzzword that you hear a lot right now. It's about grabbing a bunch of data and finding value in this data that will propel your business, you, or the users further in life and in the application. So if creating machines that are able to think and being able to create predictive models sounds fun to you, well, check out machine learning. Now, coming in at number 4 is cloud engineers and cloud architects. So a cloud engineer is someone who's going to be able to create an architecture of security or even for deployment of an application in the cloud. Now, the cloud can host a bunch of different things. It can host artificial intelligence applications, front-end, back-end, databases. It can be firewalls and all of this kind of stuff. And it's extremely important in this remote-driven world. Now, the top 3 cloud platforms as of today is AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, Azure, which is Microsoft, and GCP, which is Google Cloud. So if creating a world of opportunity in the cloud outside of where you are, but in a remote area sounds intriguing to you, well, go ahead and check out cloud engineering. Now, coming in at number 3 is in fact cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a on-growing field because technology of hackers, technology of people trying to steal data is always evolving and always growing at the same rate as current technology. Now, if creating technology to fight crime on the internet intrigues you, check out cybersecurity. Now, an extremely popular field in cybersecurity is white hacking. Now, white hacking is when you try to penetrate your own application's infrastructure and security. It allows you to be a hacker every day, but on the good side of things, trying to find vulnerabilities that your company can then patch to stop hacking from happening. Now, number 2 is data science and data engineers. Data science and data engineering is all about creating predictive models and algorithms. These algorithms and predictive models allow the company to be able to find data and find facts within their data, whether that's what time users typically buy from them, what time users end up having issues with their application. We can then also find when our application is going to fail versus when it's going to be successful with a 200. It's all about finding facts and information from data to help the company. Now, with every industry becoming more data-driven, data science and data engineering roles are going to become high impact roles that every company is going to need. Now, before we jump into the number 1 technology for 2023, let's talk about 3 upcoming futuristic technologies that are going to be in the market very soon. Number 1 is AR and VR, which stands for augmented reality and virtual reality. This typically happens by putting a headset over your eyes, which will change how the user interacts with the world around them. A great example is the new Apple Vision Pro that was just released. Apple Vision Pro is goggles that you can put over your eyes and you can interact with apps just like you were on your iPhone, but all remotely through a new piece of software that you see through, which will change and augment your current reality. So if changing the way humans literally interact with the world, check out AR and VR as they are going to be super high in the market very soon. Now, number 2 of future tech jobs is going to be artificial intelligence, AI. Now, we already kind of hit on this a little bit when we talked about machine learning, but AI is a bigger umbrella than just machine learning. Now, there's 4 different categories that really fall into the umbrella of AI. 1 is machine learning, 1 is deep learning, 1 is natural language processing, and lastly, computer vision. And all of these are literally about how to mimic and create a human mind. So it's about how to create intelligence that is artificial, that we can use in our current life to advance human species and just the world around us. Now, the number 1 most popular future job is still a little ways away, is quantum computing. Now, quantum computing is all about high-speed, complex solutions that our current computers are not able to handle. This can solve problems in multiple different areas, including cryptography, material science, and even pharmaceuticals. As quantum computing matures, scientists and engineers that are going to be in this realm are going to be in such high demand. All right, now let's switch back to the top tech job of 2023, and that is software development and software testers. These are the individuals that are creating everything that we're talking about into real life. They're the crafters of operating machines on computers and the software that excites you and helps you with your everyday life. If creating software that people use, or even being on the other side of testing that software to make sure that we're not introducing any bugs, excites you, check out software engineers and software testers. And that's it. That's the top 10 countdown with some future tech jobs inside. So as you can see, the tech market is very diverse and vibrant with opportunities to suit everyone and everyone's needs.